So you wanted to find out how to create a Shopify store for multiple products. Whether you're looking to sell a diverse range of items or different categories of products, Shopify is an excellent platform that can efficiently manage your inventory. So first of all, let's get started by signing up with the Shopify. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free. Once we are directly here into Shopify, what you want to do is to click into the start free trial button, or just head into the link that we send you down below in the description, and of course create an actual account, and you might be having access to your new store. So here into my new store, it's going to be telling you the actual prompt and the actual setup guide, adding an actual product, customize your online store, name your store, setting up a payment provider, setting up your shipping rates, and place a test order. So here you can of course get started by adding your products. So once you have an account and actually ready, it's time to add your products. So you want to navigate directly here into the pod that says products, and click into the section that says add a product, and start entering your product's details such as the title, description, the price, and the images. If you have a wide range of products, consider organizing them into collections for better navigation. So as you can see, our product are starting to get listed into our store. And of course, we have different product collections. We have, in this case, we have a men's shoes. The other one is a vacuum, and so much more elements. So first of all, now that you have the actual products, the different product list, what I wanted to do is to get started with collections. Directly here into collections, I'm going to create a new collections. And let's say, for example, that I go and type here footwear. So here into footwear, I'm going to just leave this like that and hit into save. I'm going to create a new collection, and here let's type home supplies. And this is the part where you wanted to just focus into all the collections you wanted to add into the store, depending on what are the actual products that you chose to create into your store. For example, I'm going to add a new title, which is home garden, and hit into save. Now, if you focus down here, so you have the products, you can go into browse. I'm going to be showing you all the products that you have available, so we can start to adding all the products directly into the collection. Once you have added all the products into your different collections, it's time to add those collections into your store. So directly here into the store, I'm going to go for online store and hit directly into navigation. Into navigation, I'm going to hit directly into main menu. And here into your main menu, you want to make sure that you have all the actual catalog of your products. So here, for example, what I'm going to be doing here is to add a new menu item. And let's say, for example, that I'm going to go for collection and go for beach collection. Go for add and do exactly the same thing with all the collections that I do have available inside my store. Hit into save the menu and go into your online store and customize. Now here what you wanted to make sure is that we can make sure that we have organized really well our actual store. You can see that we have the basic collections here. We have DIY, we have footwear, we have home and garden, and we have home supplies. So it's really important, guys, to try to organize your products into collections. So automated collections use conditions to automatically include products that can meet certain criteria, which is perfect for managing larger inventories. You can try to save a little bit of time and edit those elements directly inside, for example, when you create an actual product. When I go directly here into the left part, it says product, and I add a new product directly here into tags. For example, I can tap and of course focus into, this is home appliances, go directly when I create an actual product, focus into the collections, the product type, and of course going to be making much more faster to add those products automatically directly inside your actual store. And lastly, you wanted to customize your store design in order to get ready to make some sales. So customize your look and feel into your store. Go to the online store, select your actual themes, hit into customize. So here what you can do is to choose an actual theme, paid or free, that's totally optional. For example, I can choose the spotlight, I can use the reverse, the dawn, and so much more elements to get started on making, let's say, strong, really great sales with an actual really easy account. And lastly, you want to make sure, of course, to set up an actual payment on the shipping. So setting up your payment directly here into settings, navigate to payment here. And here into payment, what you want to do is to get started by choosing an actual provider or Shopify payment if you are able to get started here, depending on the country you're currently living. The same thing with the actual Shopify shipping. So Shopify supports various payment gateways like the PayPal, Stripe, Shopify payments, and for the shipping, you can configure all of those elements and getaways by rate zone based on where you want to ship and how much you want to get charged with. Like a very easy conversion to get started here on Shopify. This is an actual example that we have just created with an actual easy store. We focused only into footwear, but directly here into footwear for men, women, and non-binary. So we're actually making the organization in a very easy way, but this is just an example of what you can do when it comes for making organizing stuff directly into your products. And that, guys, is how we can all get started by adding multiple products into just one store inside the Shopify. So guys, with that being said, we have reached the very end of the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more amazing tutorials how we can get started doing this kind of stuff directly here onto Shopify. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all that being said, we continue to a brand new section of TechExpress. See you next time.